All right, hey there guys, how's it going? Well, welcome back. And today we're talking about the Crystal Geyser Natural Alpine Spring Water. Now, most people would say water is water, right? I mean, most people don't see the difference in water, and some people can drink right out of the faucet, and as long as it's cold, they'll say it's just fine and they don't notice the difference. And I mean, when I was a kid, I thought it was really weird that people would buy water in the store, because I grew up just drinking out of the faucet. But over the years, I've bought several different kinds of water, and you know, just basically because people say that drinking out of the faucet is like almost deadly these days because of what could be in there. And there's different brands, of course, but Crystal Geyser, it is a really, really clean water. It really tastes good. I mean, it's not like I would say, oh, what a beverage. No, nothing like that. But it really tastes clean, and especially when it's really cold. Really, really cold, like right out of the refrigerator or out of like the ice chest. It's really, really, like, you know, crispy cold. That's when it's best. But the real reason I bought this one, because I am a runner and I like to exercise, and most waters just come with a screw cap that you can, you know, just screw this on, screw this off, right, to use it. But this one has a, whoops, kind of splashed. This one has a opening right here, so you can pop it up and then close it back, you know, as you use it. And it makes it so you can actually, you know, run with it and pop it open really fast without having to stop and unscrew. I mean, stopping and unscrewing your cap of your water shouldn't be a big problem or anything, but it's kind of convenient having this pop on, pop off cap. It's I wouldn't say, oh God, that is the best thing ever, but it is something. It does have that. I haven't seen a lot of bottled waters with this kind of cap on there, and when I saw it in the store, I thought that was pretty attractive. So it's a little expensive for water. I like it anyway. I mean, I'm all about convenience. Hopefully I am going to drink more water because of this cap. I mean, water is what cleans the body, right? I like this water a lot. And it also makes good ice cubes. And I don't buy them by just the single waters. I actually buy it by the 24 pack. Keep them in my fridge and it lasts a while. It's a pretty decent water. I like it a lot. Hopefully I'll get the chance to try some other ones, other different brands, and hope the next time I go to the store it'll be on sale. Yeah, Alpine Spring Water. I often wondered if it was going to be like water, like if you hear about Arrowhead or those different waters, if they actually get it from the mountains, you know. And the commercials make it sound like, oh God, this is the best thing to drink ever, you know. But like I said, most people think water is just water, but this is a good water. I really like it a lot. But, you know, I have to admit, I have had waters that have a little bit of a metal taste, and I heard that that has to do with, it being a kind of having the kind of minerals that are in the water, and having water that has been boiled, you know. Water that's been boiled will take taste of a pot. So hopefully I'll never have to drink that kind of water again. It is a clean, very crisp water, especially when it's cold, and I recommend it a lot. It's really, 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 really good. But like I said, most people would just think water is water. Yeah. If you're thirsty, just about anything's gonna taste good, but I really like this one. I'll stick with Crystal Geyser. And I think it also comes in a 32 pack. I also saw this Crystal Geyser in the little minis that they have. It's like half this size. So yeah, that's good also. Well, that's all I have to say about the Crystal Geyser natural alpine spring water with the fancy cap right here. Hopefully you guys use this information. I'll talk to you in a bit. Be back with another talk soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.